He said I had main character energy. I ignored the part where he called Medusa a lizard.
He thought Persephone was an avenger. I choked on my pomegranate.
Marvel? Seriously?
He asked why I always talk in metaphors. I asked why his third eye was so shut.
You keep asking for signs.
He said dreams are just brain farts. I said, sir, you're dating the embodiment of frickin' intuition. His love language was proof. Meanwhile, he's in 6 Reddit conspiracies and married to Bitcoin. He called the moon ocean propaganda. I sobbed internally. The moon filed a restraining order. He mansplained the hero's journey, then quoted Elon Musk over Zeus pancakes. I died mid-bite. It's over.
You can't love a goddess if you won't believe in her. May the myths you ignore haunt your algorithms.
Dating advice? Start with belief in yourself, in symbols, in income. Join the Eveolution. We myth responsibly.